The original Sterno Products S'mores maker. Yes, that's s'mores. Look at that. Comes with Sterno, comes with everything they need but the fresh marshmallows and chocolate. Yummy, yummy. This is so much fun. So you can see there's a tray set up with everything you need for your family and friends to make their s'mores right there, all well organized. Here's the first step. Pick up the graham cracker, place the chocolate on top. Second step is to heat up the marshmallow. And the third step on the tray is put the marshmallow between two graham crackers and squish it together. It's hot. It'll start melting the chocolate. It's so good. You gotta have this. S'mores maker.